I'll never like New Year's Eve. Countdown to another day. Hootenanny on the BBC, the only thing that keeps the sleep away. But this last year we had a lot going on, so when the phone rang at 10 p.m., who could have thought in the next few hours we'd watch the fireworks over Amsterdam. The nurse on the phone said there's no need to rush, just pack your bags and that was all. The riff's exhausted and needs high care, we gotta move him to another hospital. So we drove off to the city where they let him sleep as he lay there still and again, fighting for his life in an ambulance. To the fireworks over Amsterdam. Happy New Year, all wishes for you. No family, no friends, just us holding hands. Happy New Year, just keep on breathing. On the 7th floor among the fireworks. Oh, the fireworks over Amsterdam. Well, it's 5:30 on the newest day. We left Riff with the cuddly guards, heading for a bed in a McDonald's house, with an aching in our hearts. In the distance we hear the firecrackers, the Roman candles light the sky. And the Chinese would say the bad ghosts are banned, but not by the fireworks over Amsterdam. Happy New Year, all wishes for you. No family, no friends, just us holding